Hey guys, I'm here to share with you what did I learn on the first day of Jobtread Connect 2026. This is a contractor event attended by over 800 contractors from all over the world, but primarily from the States. I'm one of the few Canadian contractors that I see here, and today I'm bringing to you guys a lot of the insights that I learned from this conference to bring more value to both my homeowners and also if there are any fellow contractors watching, I want to educate you guys as well. So first of all would be Marcus Sheridan, who wrote the Ask You Answer, is a very famous speaker and communication expert. He mentioned that when people are looking to shop a contractor, they're really looking to find out the price, any problem with the product, any comparison between different products first. So it's a smart move for us to put all that information on our website, just be as transparent as possible with no bias. So it doesn't matter what product you're using, you still want to compare all the other similar products for the customer. So the more information you give people, the better that they trust you because people are going to do their research regardless. So even if you don't mention your competitors, they're going to find out about your competitors. So the whole idea is if you're willing to talk about what other people will not be willing to talk about and show them what other people don't want them to show, then they will trust you that much more. And this is very in line with what I'm doing with my social media, which is I showcase all my detailed workmanship right in the very, very beginning. And I also show the pricing upfront in the videos. So this way, people can just get a very good idea of what I charge and how good the work is before they even talk to me. And the second thing would be going forward, I will be implementing a one sale close method, which is right now I just to prevent tire kickers from wasting my time and therefore increasing the price that I had to charge to all my paying customers. I do charge people before I go out. But going forward, I will be spending more time on the phone with people, just qualifying them and basically just asking, how serious are you guys doing this project, soon and with me? And I only go out if they're serious about doing it, and I make it very clear on the phone that I'm going to be coming out to collect a check for a design consult or a deposit on the job. So I'm not there to just give you a quote and like leave. I will be actually doing a better job with my cost catalog, so I'll be able to come up with a exact price right there on the spot. This will require around 300 hours of work on my part to set up the entire system, but once I do it, I will be able to generate literally any quote right there on the spot. So that's going to make everything a lot more efficient because a lot of the homeowners, they want to make a decision like right away, the most serious ones anyway. Then they don't want to wait like 3 weeks or sometimes even 6 weeks for the last contractor who may be a little bit cheaper to give them a price so they can compare that. It's actually kind of absurd if you go to a contractor and they take that long to give you a price, right? So I'm going to come out pretty fast and I'm going to give you a price right there on the spot, and they'll be expecting some kind of payment to book the project going forward. So I think this will be a more transparent way to go about doing quotes because I just feel it will make sure that everybody's on the same page about how serious they are to get the project going.